CRMD is showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. Intraday high in this session, $12.39. So this is Monday, the 20th of October, 2025, pre-market session. Yeah, underlying trend is is bullish. Yeah, well, strongly bullish. Okay. Projections on this daily chart are currently saying 15.16, 17.28, 18.58. This was as of Friday the 17th. And yeah, they all beat up above this 12.39 intraday high. But this daily chart is not active yet because we're still in the pre-market session. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong up till, or rather, this upward trajectory that began. When did it begin? It began, yeah, on Friday the 17th. So this will be, if you hold these gains to the end of today's trading session, then it will be a second straight session of gains. So this upward trajectory is expected to remain in place up till midday today. And then after that, they may go into a consolidation up till midday tomorrow, the 21st. And then after that, it may turn into a distributive contraction. Yeah, that may now result into a bounce from the 23rd of October. Okay, so no guarantee that this will be the case. Okay, so projections are currently saying 9.86, 9.45, 9.2. I think are they upper projections? No, they are all downward projections as things are right now. So we have a mix of upper projections and downward projections. Okay, the price pressure momentum as things stand right now, indicating that the 10 and 21 period moving averages are trending robustly. However, they all have negative second derivatives. What could be the reason? Let's see. Have they not been ever positive since Friday? No, they have never. They've never gone positive since going negative. Those derivatives, negative meaning that selling pressure is in place for the first derivative, and then the second derivative tells you the pace of the acceleration, or it just tells you the pace of the momentum, this buying pressure or the selling pressure. So since it went negative, this was all the way back to, since they all went negative all the way back to, yeah, we're talking about Wednesday the 15th. They have been negative. What am I talking about since, yeah, we are talking about all the way back to the 9th of October. They've never really, really gone positive. Never really gone positive. It's a mix of things, but selling pressure is immense. It's not abating at all, even though in the midst of all of that, buying is going on. Yeah, the stock is trending. Positions opened all the way back to 84 trading sessions ago. In positive, they are in profit right now. But the selling pressure is immense. It is just so much that even buyers can't take it out of that negativity. You can see these derivatives. They've just been negative for more than a week. You know. Yeah. Okay. We could also try and have a look at a few things. Okay. Let's see. This is a new indicator we've been watching of late. The squeeze momentum indicator. It's more of a trader's indicator. Okay. So okay, we are. I think this is saying when this let's see what it says when the bar when this when the crosses go gray. Let's have a look and see. Let's read about it. Let's read about the script. Okay, let's see what it says here. Black crosses on the midline show the market just entered a squeeze. Okay, this signifies low volatility. Okay, market preparing itself for an explosive move up. Gray crosses signifies squeeze release. Okay, so wait till a first gray appear after a cross and taking a position in the direction of the moment. So, okay, so it's saying based on this indicator, it's not really going to be of much use to you by the time you're watching this. So, but right now, as things stand right now, it's indicating that you should consider buying. Okay, but yeah, you should consider buying. That's what the indicator is saying. But we think that opportunity has actually gone away. Well, by some indications, it's still saying that it's still a buy. But we are think we based on this we have this indicator here. We are cautious. We're cautiously not really agreeing with that. Yeah, let's reapply the second momentum indicator. Let's see. They are all momentum indicators. This is but from different firms. So this is yeah, okay. This is they're all trending, but well, one can make the case that since the moving averages are trending, that maybe yes, you should consider what I would say. Okay, yeah, I would to some extent I would say, but with a lot of caution. With a lot of caution. One can even make the argument since it's still below its 40 period, 200 period moving average. But if anything, I'll say just be really cautious about that. And remember, this is the second straight session of gains for the stock. So it has gained over, let's see, 20%, is it? It's gained over, well, 10%. 10% since then. Well, you could say that maybe, yeah, it may be an opportunity to buy. Yeah, but the reason why I'm saying this is that the best time to have entered would have been when the stock was just beginning to get trending, but of course not easy to capture. Not easy to capture, but we'll just see. If you're really going to get in, just be really careful. Just be careful. It has already gained 10%. So yeah, stock is currently trending. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with the stock. People are currently chattering about it. While we're waiting for the audio to come up, let's see what we have on it. What the market is saying, what how they are trading the stock. Let's see. People are hoping for 11.6, 11.69.
CorMedix CRMD is trending as the company raises its 2025 revenue guidance, fueled by accelerating sales of its flagship product, DefenCath, and the addition of new assets from the recently acquired Melinta Therapeutics portfolio. The announcement has sparked a wave of optimism in parts of the investor community, with discussions centered around revenue growth momentum, market expansion opportunities, and the company's evolving strategic vision. Revenue guidance raised for 2025. CorMedix increased its full year 2025 revenue guidance, citing stronger than expected DefenCath sales and the integration of Melinta's commercial assets. DefenCath continues to gain traction in infection prevention settings, particularly in dialysis and hospital markets, providing a steady and growing revenue base. The Melinta portfolio adds additional anti-infective products, broadening CorMedix's commercial footprint and product diversification. Market sentiment. Bullish momentum. Many investors view the raised guidance as a sign of operational strength and market confidence. Community discussions highlight improved top-line visibility, expanded commercial reach through Melinta's assets, and potential for margin improvement as volumes scale. Some are speculating that the higher guidance could attract institutional interest or even make CorMedix a more appealing acquisition target in the anti-infective space. Strategic investment in Talfera. Beyond Melinta, CorMedix also announced a strategic investment in Talfera, signaling its commitment to expanding its infectious diseases and hospital care portfolio. This move is seen as forward looking, potentially enabling CorMedix to leverage pipeline synergies and enter adjacent therapeutic areas. Investors are watching closely for any co development or commercialization updates stemming from this investment. Upcoming clinical data, a key catalyst. Another major discussion point is the upcoming clinical data related to DefenCath and other pipeline programs. Positive data readouts could support label expansions, drive broader market adoption, and strengthen the company's pricing and reimbursement position. This is viewed by many as a critical inflection point that could shape the company's medium term growth trajectory. Outlook: momentum meets execution risk. While enthusiasm is high, some community members caution that integration of Melinta's portfolio must be executed smoothly. Any delays or negative clinical data could impact sentiment. The company's cash position and capital allocation will be closely monitored given its expansion efforts. If CorMedix can deliver on its updated guidance, maintain sales momentum, and capitalize on pipeline catalysts, it could solidify its position as a key player in the anti infective space. Bottom line: CorMedix raised revenue guidance reflects strong commercial performance and strategic portfolio expansion. With DefenCath leading the way, Melinta assets adding scale, and a potential pipeline boost from Telfra and upcoming data, the company sits at a potential turning point. Investors are watching to see if management can translate this momentum into sustained growth and value creation.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.